A few days ago, YouTube announced that they are going to be eliminating the email notification feature that a number of my subscribers use to be notified whenever I publish a video or start a live stream. And while I can understand that not everyone wants to receive notification emails, why remove the option from those that do? So here's what I decided to do. I'm going to bring back this option to you in the form of my own Pal to Tech notification email. Once you've subscribed to my newsletter, you will be automatically notified whenever I publish a video. But that's not all. I will also be making important channel updates, periodically sending news about what's going on here at this channel and so forth. This way, should YouTube remove any more features, I'll still have an outside independent ability to contact my subscribers and give them a heads up of something. Go to paltotech.com/subscribe, put in your email and click a button, and you'll be on the list and you'll know every time I publish a video. That's my update for now. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next week. So long and take care. You can have no picture at all, just sound. Some of your shots might be overexposed or underexposed or, well, heck, you might even have the wrong colors. But you know what? While these things can certainly be problems for photography and videography, a lot of them can be fixed in post-production. But the one thing that can't be fixed, the one thing that is just such a problem, is a shot that's out of focus. Nothing is more frustrating than trying to fix a photograph that's not in focus. Okay, this blurriness is giving me a headache. Intro, please. So one of the really cool things about this Viltrox 85mm lens is that you can easily update the firmware by plugging in a USB connector right into here. That got me thinking, what would happen if you dragged another file, say a music file, and drop it on the lens? The world's first MP3 music file is now installed on this lens.
And now, in his first ever worldwide music video, Pal to Tech.
I was made for this. You know that I was made for this. I was made for this. You know that I was made for this. Oh yeah. I was made for this. Yeah. You know that I was made for this. Alright. Running great, now I'm showing up. You looking at the chosen one. Woo. I was made for this. You know that I was made for this. I was made for this.